Diamonds are known as the hardest natural material on Earth, but what if there was something even stronger? Meet Lonsdaleite, a rare and extraordinary form of carbon, believed to be even tougher than diamonds. But what gives it this super strength? The secret lies in its atomic arrangement. Unlike diamonds, which have a cubic structure, Lonsdaleite forms in a hexagonal lattice, creating an even tighter bond between carbon atoms. This unique formation makes Lonsdaleite theoretically up to 58% harder than diamond. Lonsdaleite isn't found deep underground like diamonds, it's formed in space. When meteorites rich in graphite collide with Earth, the extreme heat and pressure transform carbon into this ultra-hard crystal. Because of this rare formation process, natural Lonsdaleite is incredibly difficult to find. If Lonsdaleite is so strong, how can we use it? Scientists are working on ways to synthesize it in labs, unlocking new possibilities. If perfected, Lonsdaleite could revolutionize industries by creating materials stronger and more resilient than ever before. A diamond may be forever, but Lonsdaleite could be the future. As research continues, this ultra-strong carbon might reshape material science as we know it. What do you think? Could Lonsdaleite become the new king of hardness? Let us know in the comments.